everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I appreciate y'all watching the channel as always. Usually we start these trade videos in the truck. We're going to start it right here in the driveway this time. Ben, y'all just saw the Cub Cadet, and I was looking at my YouTube schedule and it looks like I'll be posting this on July 4th, so happy Independence Day to the United States. Hope y'all got your flags out, flying them proudly today. Anyways, we're going to roll on with this Cub Cadet. I've got a potential trade lined up. It's about 40 to 45 minutes away from me, 35 miles. I've gauged gas-wise. It's going to cost me about $25 to get over there and back. And I've had this thing up for like, I don't even know now, 3 weeks or so. And this guy and I have been going back and forth. Not in a bad way, just talking back and forth for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Just scheduling wise, I haven't been able to get out there, and I guess his vehicle's having troubles or something. Anyways, what we've agreed on is I sell this Cub Cadet. It's still running great. I did have to drain out some water out of the fuel earlier today, but once I did that, the thing picked up and started running great again. Trading this, which I have listed at 125, I would have sold for 100. I'm getting just a basic push mower, Cub Cadet, weed eater, Troy built self-propel push mower, and a small generator, probably a 4,000 watt generator. So a 4-for-1 deal here. We're going to see how that deal shakes out. Anyways, I just wanted to start out. This is what we're starting with. And then when I get home, I'll tell you what we ended up finishing up the trade with. So let's see if we did good. I'll give an approximate value of what I think everything's going to be worth whenever I finish it up. And then I will we'll kind of see if y'all think I did a good job or a bad job. Y'all did see the condition of this in the last video. It works fine. I did have to do a carb swap on it. This is a Kawasaki SR621. It does have a bunch of like soft spots in the deck, but there are no rust holes, so that's good. Self-propel, all 6 speeds on the self-propel still work. I put a new blade on it for them, so that's good. Anyways, let's see what we ended up trading with here. See if I did a good deal, and see what y'all think about it as well. Alright guys, so here are the trades. Hopefully by the time this video airs, all these will be turned around. But for now, let me show you what we got going on here. 2 of them are, one of them is about what I expected. These 2, definitely above average from what I thought. I did a 3-for-1 deal here, so I sold that Cub Cadet for 125. Or I valued it at 125 and got all 3 of these on trade. None of them work. They've been sitting in storage for a while. We'll start off with the one that was below average, or about average. This is a Murray mulching deck, like one of them Briggs Classics. Nothing crazy, nothing special. The deck is in shape. It's got a little bit of rust back here on the left rear, like they all have got. I might even have a bag I can put on this one, but nothing, like I said, nothing crazy. This one probably pull rope, diaphragm, drain the gas out, air filter, sharpen the blade, send it on for about 50 bucks. Probably had to put a toggle switch on it. I might have a cable that'll work for this though, we'll see. Second one, this one is probably going to make my money back just in itself. I don't think I have a bag for this one though anymore. I think I've gotten rid of all the bags that go on these decks. This is a Troy built, self-propel, TB. Well, this is before they did the TB series, because it's got actually the Prime Quantum engine on it, so probably like 08, 09 model. And before they started using auto chokes readily. Key start. Probably not going to have key start after I finish with it though. This is the first one of these I've ever had that had key start on it. It's missing the battery too, so kind of like, you know, clean it up, pretty much get my money back, $125 to $140 for this. And then what might be the money maker on this, and what will set me over the edge of the trade, is definitely this right here. A power back generator. I like seeing these brand names because they're just generic as they can get. They're probably all made by the same people. This one's actually a round tube frame. Hello. And this one's got a square tube frame that I'm working on now that y'all probably have not seen on the channel yet. But the 10 horsepower Formula Tecumseh. I've never had one of these before. I wonder if this is similar to the Snow King that a lot of the Northerners rave about. We'll see. I will do a detailed video on fixing this one though, because I think it'll be kind of cool. It's been sitting in storage for a long time, and it's got a lot of gas in it, and it smells bad. So we got a lot to do here on this one. Might be able to turn it around in an afternoon/evening. We'll have to see what ends up happening. But it's got 5250 watts. You got two 120s and one 120 240 right there. Like I said, it's been sitting up for a while. Probably just needs to be brought back to life. Been sitting in the storage shed. This one here and this one here. This is what you like to see though. Storage shed finds. Works nicely. Even got dirt dauber nests, dirt dauber, whatever you want to call them. It's right here on the shroud. But apart from cleaning up and draining the gas out and the carburetor on this, just doing a complete fuel system clean on it, this thing will be ready to rock and roll, I think. And like I said, this will be the big money maker in the lot. All in all, $50, probably about $125 to $140. So you're talking about $175, and then probably about $250 to $300 there. You're looking at what, $375, anywhere between like $425 to $450. So staying to make a couple $100, but I got to put $250 to $300. Got to put some love in all these though. So I think I did all right. I'll let y'all see what y'all think. We'll wrap this video up. All right, guys, we'll wrap this up. Again, what did I do? Spend about $25 in gas. With the way the gas prices are here in June. Sold a mower that I feel like I couldn't even sell to save my life for some reason. It just seems like stuff is a little slow this year. But guy who got it from me, he actually just started a YouTube channel called DJ Subprime. Doing a little bit of lawn equipment stuff. I think he's going to branch out into other avenues here before long. Just wanted to give him a shout as well. Like I said, got these three on trade, no cash exchanged. I think I've traded up, especially after I fix them. So just let me know what y'all think. We'll see what needs to happen to these things in the coming videos here on the channel. But again, this video is going to air on July 4th. Happy Independence Day to all of the Americans watching this video. And just remember what helps keep this country free. So just keep an open mind, guys. Just remember free thinking. Don't get brainwashed, essentially. Anyways, thank you all again for watching. Appreciate y'all watching the channel as always. Again, we'll see what we end up getting into these three mowers. I know I'll film at least the generator, and we'll see about the Troy-Bilt and the Murray. I've seen a lot of those this year. But thank you all again for watching. Again, happy Independence Day to those of you who are in America, and I will catch y'all on the next video. Remember, in the meantime, if you have any questions about this video, you can reach out to me, Ellis at ellismowers.com, or at ellismowers09 on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. See you then!